Each job is quite different. There's probably a lot more sort of work in designing. With something like this, there's a bit more work in trying to figure out how to go around all these, fittings and fixtures. I did grow up in a sign writing family with a sign shop in the backyard. I helped my father from a very young age, so 27 years full time. Usually the person who creates anything done by hand has an interest in it other than purely money. If I said people put love into it, it sounds a bit corny, but I guess it's that way, People who do things by hand take more time to do a job and perhaps have more consideration for what they're doing. Yeah, I don't know what I think. Sometimes I'm thinking about other jobs. Sometimes, obviously, I'm thinking about this when your attention is directed on where the lines are going. But once you sort of get it established, almost like meditation, I guess. They want white lines on this, so it really accentuates the shape of the panels. When you get back from it, you'll see all the shapes with the white lines, but you wouldn't if it wasn't there from a distance, so it's definitely enhancing the shape of the bike.